Robot vacuums are great and all. Even with the robot vacuum, there are often times when you still need a handheld vacuum to take care of the small messes and messes on couches. That's where this Yeedi C12 Combo comes in. Super handy. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reid. My name is Reid, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Yeedi C12 Combo. This has a cordless stick vacuum and mop, as well as a robot vacuum. This is the world's first all-in-one combo. Now, I'm starting to review more and more robot vacuums on my channel, and the navigation and object avoidance has drastically improved. I feel that the robot vacuums still fall a little short in full cleaning mode. While the robot vacuum cleaners do their best in getting corners and under furniture, there's still room to be improved. Not only that, but there's still a need for a small stick vacuum to clean up small messes, as well as clean stuff on furniture, because vacuums, or robot vacuums per se, aren't smart enough to jump up onto furniture or climb furniture. Yeedi solves this with their C12 Combo. Yeedi calls this the Combat, the world's first whole house cleaning combat. It's not just a robot vacuum or a mop, it's a robot that does it all. The Yeedi robot vacuum is powered by a 5,200 milliamp battery and has LDS navigation. It is able to map 1,000 square feet room in 8 minutes. And it does a pretty good job. As you can see here, it ran through my house pretty quickly and was able to map all of my main floor, and it's more than 1,000 square feet. I think it took less than 8 minutes. With the smart pathing, it's able to navigate complex scenes such as under tables and chairs, as it sees a situation like this and makes a plan for a clean path in and out. A clean path. Get it? Because it's a vacuum? Clean? Okay, dad joke. It has a bottom view sensor, so that way it doesn't go bouncing downstairs. So once it finds stairs and realizes that there's nothing below it, it's not going to go further and bounce down the stairs and make a mess. It can also navigate 20 millimeter thresholds, so that way when it goes from room to room, if there's a threshold, it will be able to go over it as long as it's 20 millimeters or smaller. The suction power, it sucks. Okay, another dad joke. That was bad. 10,000 Pascal suction power. That is pretty good. My previous vacuums that I've reviewed earlier, they're about 2,000 or so. 10,000, what's that, 5 times the sucking power? 5 times the suck. Anyways, it has a Zero Tangle 2.0 technology with a V-shaped roller brush, so that way it doesn't get tangled up when it's picking up human hair or pet hair. So if you've got people in your house, maybe you got pets, maybe you got dogs, cats, whatever it is, you got long hair, your family members have long hair, this is perfect for you. It's not going to get tangled up with this technology. Now, onto the handheld vacuum and mop combo. This is more of a 3-in-1 combo. Not only is it a standing stick vacuum, but it also has a mopping attachment to mop the floors. Not only does it have those 2 items, but it also has 2 extra accessories in the base, so that way you can use it for handheld operation for like furniture or hard to get areas where the robot vacuum can't get to. This handheld vacuum features a 95 AW suction power, as well as a 2,000 milliamp battery. It has a 340 milliliter water tank for mopping, and an anti-tangle brush. This handheld vacuum is used for those quick cleanups in hard to reach areas, as well as under furniture and corners of the room where there has some gaps. Last but not least, this vacuum also has headlights. Yes, they're not really headlights, but they're lights on the front. This is so you're able to see dust and make it more visible, so that we're not leaving any area dirty. Moving on to the base station, it has a bag-free dust bin. They say that this lasts up to about 7 weeks of capacity for dust and debris. No bag is needed, and it makes it very cost effective. Now, the dust bin will collect the debris and dust from both the robot and handheld vacuum. Once the robot vacuum or the handheld vacuum is done and back in the base, it'll automatically empty both vacuums, so that way they're ready to clean the next time you need them. Let's take a quick look at the smartphone app and through the features of it. Alright, so we're going to make this app, we're going to go around this really quick. If you don't really care about this, you can skip on by it if you want to, but we're going to talk about the features of the app itself here. So right now, as you can see, you got a picture, well, it's kind of a mock picture of what it looks like. I named it Rosie, that's the name. If you know where that's from, put it in the comment section below. Don't cheat. It says it's online and kind of a battery power left. You can start right now and it automatically starts, it'll start vacuuming. So we're going to go ahead and enter the vacuum itself here and get through the settings here. The top left, got the name, how much percentage left on the vacuum, and then it's now on standby. And this shows you all the rooms in my main floor. So right now it's on auto mode. You can do it by room, so you can clean by room. So I can say clean the kitchen room right now, the kitchen room, or clean the laundry room, or clean the main floor. I can do zones. So I thought this was really cool. I can tell it to go ahead and I can click zone, and it gives me a gray box. And I can say, let's clean this area in the kitchen. So if there's a little area that I figure it needs vacuuming, maybe it's in the living room where maybe my son was eating a snack and I don't need to clean the whole living room. I can just take this. And as you can see, there's already white marks in the red zone here. That's where I kind of did a cleaning zone to test this out. I did a cleaning zone there, and that was a little dusty area or dirty area for my son that ate some cereal. And I cleaned up that. I didn't clean up the whole living room if I didn't need to. And I can hit start. Rooms, this goes to, I can select the room and it'll go in there and vacuum. Or I can do auto and it goes and does the whole area. So I'm going to scroll up here, and this, you can do different suction powers. It does 4 different suction powers. Right now it's standard. The one below it is quiet mode. It's not as loud. It's very quiet. And then you go up in suction power so it can suck more. And then how many cleaning passes? I did 2 earlier, but 1 is cool too because it overlaps as well if it needs to. So here are my final thoughts on this robot vacuum combo. I will tell you, once I showed my wife what it came with and what it was capable of doing, she instantly called it ours. She said, this is the one I want to keep in our kitchen and our main floor. So of course, the spouse approval is through the roof on this one. The one thing that she really disliked about a standard robot vacuum is, of course, the hard reach areas or cleaning up on the couch or any area that has a gap, the corners and all of that. So she has to go run and find our other stick vacuum, which is usually put away in a closet or whatnot because it doesn't really have a base station. The C12 combo from Yeedi makes it super easy. It's all in one. It all sticks right there. A charging station for both. It auto empties both dust bins so that I only have to empty one of them into the trash. Makes it super easy. Looks nice when it's sitting there. Don't have to worry about it. Don't have to go searching for the stick vacuum. None of that. So I wanted to emphasize that right now it's $6.99 on Amazon with a $100 coupon, saving you $100 right now. However, the Black Friday deal is coming up. Make sure that if you're interested, that will be the best deal for sure. Not saying that there won't be any deals down the road, but Black Friday is going to be the best deal and you want to be prepared for that. So make sure you check out my description on Black Friday for any deals going on with this vacuum. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, and home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.